Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Aiman Faris bin Nazri, Geometry I19103653. Okay, my part is I want to present about my part is chapter 1. This part I choose this chapter 1 is introduction to operation management and productivity. Okay, next slide. This slide is a learning objective. When you complete this chapter, you shall be able to number one is you can define operation management. Second is explain the distinction between good and space. Third is explain the difference between production and productivity. Okay, next slide is introduction for operation management. Is the set of activity that create value in the form of good and service by transforming input into output. Example like I can give pineapple. This for input. So the output we can process to be juice, pineapple juice. Okay, that's about meaning output. Okay, for introduction, productivity is commonly defined as a ratio between the output volume and the volume of input. In other words, is measure how efficient production input, such as labor and capital, are being used in an economy to produce a given level of output. Okay, next slide is definition. What is definition about operation management? Operation management is activity related to the creation of good or service by converting or transforming input into output. And definition for productivity is the ratio of output goods or service divided by input, resource, labor and capital. For we can see the table how to calculate. Okay, next slide is input. The basic material need to produce goods and service such as raw material, financial support, human resource, equipment and information. Next is transformation process. The activity relate to conversion input into output and involve operating strategies. Finally, for the output is the final result obtained after the transformation process, which include good or service. Okay, next slide is important operation management. The point one is we can get one of the major function is for the organization. Second point, we can know how good and service our product. The third point is understand what operation manager do. That's important of operation management for HRM or operation manager. Next, the role of operation manager. First we can get planning, organizing. Third is staffing, leading, and finally 5 is controlling. Next slide is objective of operation management. Point 1 is achieve customer satisfaction. Second point is using resource efficiency. For operation for good and service, we can see the table in the slide. The character of good is point 1 is delivered product, capital intensive, is envision quality, and for characteristic of service is delivered of good, labor intensive, and output that cannot be stored. Okay, next slide is importance of productivity. Number 1 is low employment. Number 2 for improve living standard for the nation. Okay, productivity variable, we can get the point one is labor, second point is capital, and third point is management. Next is challenge and operation management. We can see the point one is sustainability, second point is global focus, and third empowering employee. Okay, for this topic number one, for me, we can get conclusion is this chapter is easy, and we can get the not very complex and simple. We also get to know how good and service are produced, and lastly we do understand what operation manager do. It's a good learn know about operation management. So that's all. Thank you.